with me now. Going on a trip in a baby rocket ship, zooming through the atmosphere.
Now you told me this. Are you wanting me to talk?
My human tripod is a little bit weak and wobbly. People are gonna get seasick watching this. I still need to learn to be comfortable talking to the camera because there's other people and then I feel very self-conscious. But okay, let's go see. Well, step 1, try to get out of the car. Step 2, try not to step in poop. Step 3, climb through a fence. I can do it. Okay. Step 4. Name the pretty cattle. Okay, I'll call you Betsy and you Earl. And I'll call you... Oh wait, you're a bull. I'll call you Bob. Hi Bob. And wait, are you a girl too? I'm sorry, no wonder you're looking at me like you're cross. We got some big ladies over here. You can see they're like the discipline committee, the way that they're sitting. If I'm right, all of these are cows. Well, except for the calves. But look at them big girls. If I was brave enough, I'd go pat them on the bottom, but they won't do anything. They're very tame. Actually, on a serious note, they're all very tame. It's not likely that anyone would get hurt, but we have a respect for animals, of course. So, yeah, we love our cattle. And they're so pretty. Hi, girl. You're so pretty. Hi. You're so pretty. Yeah, you are. Hi. I should actually, not that I actually know much about cattle. Like I said, I'm learning, so I'm learning cows. Look at this pretty baby. Look at that pretty baby. Look at that. He's a pretty baby. Well, they're not technically babies anymore. I mean, they've grown up. I think this white one's a girl. No? Oh, I'm actually not sure. You look like a girl, but I'm not sure. I think you're a girl.
Stop it. Get some help.
I love talking to the cat. That's something I can do. Something I'm more confident in. Hi. I think you're very pretty. Can I touch you? No? Oh, I'm sorry. Did I give you a fright? Come here. Come on. Hi. He's unsure. He or she wants to come close, but they're unsure of what's this crazy lady talking to me. Yeah. You're so pretty. You look like a nougat. I'm gonna call you nougat. Or nugget, or however people pronounce it. Hi. You, I can see is a bull. You a bull. Okay, I have no idea what I'm doing, but apparently I should climb through this fence on my husband's instructions. I don't know. Yeah, I think this is what he said. Now, what I need to tell you all is I'm a town. I didn't know a cow could make that sound. I'm a town girl. I really hope I don't find snakes in here. Okay, that just proved I'm a town girl. I think I'm doing the right thing and going the right way. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I will do it. I'm just... Okay, he said walk up all the way till you get to a gate. Come, Max. Come, Max. Yeah. Great. Come, Max. Be a little bit safer. Anyway, so what I wanted to say was I'm still learning about everything. So I might not do the whole viewpoint on farm life and cattle justice at all. If you have any questions, there goes an antelope. Should ask my husband. Max, just do not touch that wire. You're gonna shock. I think.
Okay.
Okay. I don't know why I'm running, but he said I should run. Hopefully it's not because there's something behind me, but because of the cattle that are not resisting get out. I'm not fit. My doctor prescribed extra fries, not exercise. Okay. I think I found it. Okay. Whew. No, I can't do exercise. Is this the right thing? Hope I'm... This gate is like... How am I supposed to open it? Okay. Is it anyway supposed to be open? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There's this stump. Okay, Max. Come. Max, come. Okay. Clearly, this town girl needs some work. Am I even in the right place? I think I did what he said I should do. He said I should stand in the open. So is it opening of the gate? Okay, there they come. Okay, maybe I should go this way. Man, look at him go. So we're putting them in just in a different camp, and there's a few that need medical attention. So that's what we're going to be doing, and if any of them need dip, we will be dipping them. I really feel like when I'm pushing these animals that I sound like a bird. I guess that's more natural. Oh dear. Okay. Gip, 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 gip. Sorry, neighbors. Like right next to the neighbors. Okay. I can't find the path through the bushes, and it's thick. I'm an old scary cat. Okay, but seriously, how am I supposed to do this? Okay. This one means. What does this one mean? Okay, we need to check the foot. That's a good girl. Just one more. Okay, so now that that one cow is helped, we'll have to help her again tomorrow. But right now I'm just gonna take the vehicle back to the meeting place. I'm still getting used to driving, so let's see how it goes. I know. Don't you judge me. Hey Max, we're gonna be buddies. We're gonna be buddies. Okay. Not focus on everything at once. It's just a little farm road. Okay. See ya. Hey everyone. So it was mission accomplished with the cattle. And right now we are just busy. Well, they are busy. I'm not busy. Busy with clearing the roads so that you can drive by without theirs. You can see him there. Without the trees and stuff sticking into the road. See you next time. Bye.